Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So today's video is going to be another PR unboxing. I actually just got back from Minnesota. I'm a little tired, so bear with me on my energy levels right now. But it was so much fun. I had a blast visiting Ross's family, played tons of sports, did a little storm chasing. You guys follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Madison Miller, really funny. I also met a couple of you guys in Minnesota too, which was amazing. I've actually been meeting more subscribers recently. I don't know, maybe because I'm going like out and about and traveling a little bit more than I usually do. But it's been really great, so it's great to meet you guys in person. But anyways, everything that I show in this video will always be linked down below for you guys. If I have a discount code, it will be right next to the link. And make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into it. By the way, I know I'm gonna get questions asked about my necklace. So Ross's cousin, Sarah, she has a jewelry line. She's had one for so long. And she started these necklaces where you can actually build your own charm necklace. You can choose like the links that you want. You can choose all the charms you want, the layout and everything. I will have her website linked down below, but it is so cool. I actually made a bracelet one too, and I'm obsessed. They have, oh my God, I love her stuff. So definitely check her out, you guys, because I have been living in this and I've been getting a lot of questions asked on Instagram because people see it in my stories. But I'm obsessed. You can totally build your own charm necklaces. As you guys know, those are really coming in right now. I love how that trend is cycling back. But anyways, this first package is one that I am super stoked about. So I've talked a little bit about my really bad allergies that I get right now. Like, it's been so bad. I take medication for it. I do nose sprays. I do Claritin. If I miss it, you can tell a difference, especially at the end of the night. I just keep coughing because of that drip, that nasal drip that I keep getting. And I just hate taking prescriptions, and I'd rather try something that's natural. So it made me really excited when this company reached out to me. It's called Beekeepers Naturals, and they have a lot of really good reviews. So I wanted to give it a go. They let me choose out 3 products. So these are the ones that I chose. I chose the Propolis plus Vitamin C Immune Support. It's a liposomal delivery system. And what it does here, it supports your immune system with over 300 beneficial compounds and delivers zinc, iron, and B vitamins. Ooh, I need that. That's why I picked this one because I was trying to look for something like that would really help my immune system. Now it's a good time for me to take it because I feel like I'm catching something. But it's got 1,000 mg of vitamin C in it, which is amazing. So I cannot wait to try this out. These are little packets. Oh, do you just like drink them? Ooh, into mouth liquid. Best results, avoid mixing with warm or hot liquids. So you can do it into your mouth or you can mix it with a liquid. Once open, refrigerate and consume within 24 hours. You shake well. Oh, I gotta try one of these. And then the other products that I got is the Immune Support Daily Throat Spray. So I've heard really good things about this. I've seen this like all over the place. And you spray 4 times in mouth as needed and swallow. So it's supposed to be like a daily throat spray, like Immune Support. So I'm actually going to try it right now. Ugh. 2, 3, 4. Oh, you know what? You guys know how like my voice was like raspy and was felt so dry? This actually kind of is helping like coat it right now. So that is really nice. It doesn't taste horrible. I'm trying to think of the taste of it. It's reminding me of something, but I can't remember. I can't pin it right now. I'll think about it. And then this last one I really am excited about because this one is more for my seasonal allergies. So we can see if this is going to work for me. I actually want to stop taking my medicine and I want to just try this out and see if I see a difference to really test it out. But it's their Propolis Sinus Support. It's a seasonal nasal care. It's made with quercetin, bromelain, and nettle leaf. It says that it's going to support healthy histamine levels so you can continue to breathe easy. It's going to be really good for your sinus support. And that is where I'm having a majority of my problems because of that drip. It's going down in my throat, and that is what's making me cough like non-stop. And my nasal cavity, when I went to the doctor's last time, they said is extremely inflamed. So we'll figure it all out, but I really want to give this a go. And I figured if I stop taking my medicine, I can see if this really works. So I'll keep you guys updated on it. All right, so this next package is one that I actually ordered, and I ordered it for Kinsley because She is moving over to Riley School and they do like nap mats and everything. At her school right now, they actually just do it all for you. Like I don't have to provide anything. They clean everything, which is really nice. But at Riley School, they do not. So I wanted to get her a nap mat, and I usually go to either Etsy or Pottery Barn Kids. But Kinsley is such a lover of Disney princesses and Moana, and I saw this one and it had Moana and Ariel on it, which is like her two favorite princesses right now. Well, also Rapunzel too is another one. I don't think there's Rapunzel on this. Oh, there is Rapunzel on it. Okay, so this is perfect. So I figured she'd really love this. I got it from Target. Honestly, this is like the cheapest nap mat I've ever bought. And it looks to be really, it looks to be really good quality. It's got like a softness in it too. So I think this is going to be perfect for her. You know, getting ready for those preschool days. I cannot believe it. It also has an easy carry strap as well, and it's easy for her to roll up. So thought this would be perfect for her. Next up is a package from Tubby Todd. They sent over their bubble bath. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, we need more bubble bath because that's like the one incentive I can get the girls in the bath. I'm like, do you want a bubble bath? They're like, yes, they'll go run towards it. Otherwise, it's a battle sometimes. So thank you so much, Tubby Todd. I love their bubble bath. I love their shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and also their all over ointment is really good. So we really appreciate this. Next up, I got a package from Butter London. They sent over their Coquette Spring is in the Air. So this must be a little late. It must be at the bottom of the pile. But they sent over 2 of their colors. I guess they came out with New Patent Shine, 10 times shades, perfectly embody the essence of the latest aesthetic to take over our manicures. Oh, these are so pretty. So anyways, they sent over this really pretty pink color. It's called Sweetiekins. Oh, I like that name. Sweetiekins. It's like Kinsley. And then the other color is a really pretty iridescence, and it's called Sassy Lassie. Super cute. I have to do the girls' nails. They would love this color. Like honestly, you could do like the pink and then you could do this iridescence on top to kind of add that shift to it. I think that would be really, really pretty. Okay, so next up, I have a really fun package that I'm super excited to try out. You guys know I love doing like the IPL devices. I think those things are so cool. So I got a new one from another brand. So this one will be one to test out. This is by Nude. And it's called the Flasher version 2.0. Let me know if you guys have ever tried the nude version before. I would love to hear from you. Yeah, it looks really cool. You could do arms, face, bikini, back, underarms, legs, and it looks like it's super quick to do as well. And then they also sent over 2 products here. We have the Daily Exfoliator Cleanser, which is the revealer, and then also the Soothing Aloe 2. So I'm excited to try these out. So thank you so much, Nude. And again, if you guys have ever tried this one, let me know. All right, so next up, we have a package from Rad Soda here. And this one's really cool. It says, you never sipped a soda this rad. So it's basically a brand that is trying to create more healthy sodas with better ingredients for you, which I love because I'm a Diet Coke lover and I try to limit it as much as I can. Like I will not buy it for my house. I refuse, and I try not to drink that much when I'm out and about, but it's bad. So I'm really excited to try out a more healthy version. They have 4 different flavors here. They have classic cola, ginger citrus, classic orange, and tropical punch. They look good. It has 5 grams of sugar per can, 0 added sugar, and it's 20 calories per can. So let's see. Let me show you guys what one of them looks like. We'll definitely do a taste test of it. Like I'm gonna go and put them in the refrigerator and we'll do a taste test, but I also love the packaging. It's so retro looking. But anyways, so super excited about this. It's water, apple juice from concentrate, natural flavors, fruit and vegetable juice for color, phosphoric acid, stevia, and caffeine. So we'll see how this tastes. I'm excited. Okay, so Jones Road sent over some products here. Let's open this up. So they sent over their Miracle Balm. Let me read the card real quick. So your guide to Miracle Balm. There are different colors in this. Step 1 is break the seal of your balm by pressing your index finger into the surface. Grab a pea-sized amount and warm it between fingers. Dab the palm onto your cheeks and other high parts of your face using fingers or the everything brush. So you can build it up which is great. There's color correct, tint, blush, highlight, glow, bronze. There's like a assortment of different things. Let me show you guys what the brush looks like. Right here, you can see it's more of like a dense, round kabuki brush. And then the colors they sent over are Dusty Rose. So this one is Dusty Rose. Oh, that is really pretty. Break the surface of it, and you just work it in. Ooh, this smells really good too. And again, it's buildable. It has kind of like a menthol smell to it, which is really, really nice. And then let's go into the other color. They sent over Flushed. Oh, this one's a pretty like kind of like more brighter pink, it looks like. That would be really pretty for the summertime. I'm gonna dip my finger in it. And you could see this one really pops. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really cool. Can I put it on my lips? I don't know why, but that texture just felt like it would be so good on my lips, so I put it on my lips. I definitely will try this out on my cheeks too. I think it'll be really pretty. They say Miracle Balm is the secret of no makeup, a coverage-free wash of glow moisture to perfect and enhance skin. Depending on the shade, Miracle Balm provides an all-over tint, a bronze, a blush finish. You probably don't put it on your lips, but I did. So there's that. But I think it's really, really pretty, and I'm excited to try it out. So thank you so much. I am so happy about this. I love me some Patchology sheet mask. They sent over their Smart Mud. So we have the Hydrate one, which is a radiance boosting no mess mud mask. And then we've got the Calm one, which is going to be more soothing. So it's got pink calamine clay in it. So these are going to be really, really nice. I love this. Okay, I'm definitely going to use one of these tonight. I love sheet masks. I've been really diving into them a lot more. I've been using them more regularly at night. Well, not when I was in Minnesota, but when I was here. And I've been loving them again. I used to be obsessed with them in the past. Okay, so next up we have a package from Sigma here. And this is their new Sigma Soft Coverage Brush Collection. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we have the soft coverage one. Oh, this is going to be so good for my Chantecaille. I actually really like putting my Chantecaille on with a brush, and I think this would be perfect for that. It's also nice and dense, but it's not too dense, which is why it's going to be more of a softer coverage. And then we have the soft angled concealer. Oh, this is going to be so nice, like in there in those little corners. Then we have the soft angled cheek. Oh, this is also nice. Ooh, I'm so excited. I was so excited. I was like to myself, I was like, I need to like kind of like refresh my brushes because I feel like they're on their last leg right now. And then we have the soft sculpt one right here, which is really nice as well. It's going to enhance the apples of cheeks with the side of the brush, softly sculpting and define a tapered end. I do love the taperedness to it. You can definitely see that there. You see? Oh, that's going to be so nice. And then we have the precision powder. Oh, I love this. This is apply setting powder under the eye or T-zone area. You guys, it's nice. It's actually got fluff to it. It's not like super dense. It's like the perfect shape to get underneath there. We are actually going to do that right now because I am a little bit oily. So I'm going to take it into this M Cosmetics. And I'm just going to press this on the skin and kind of, oh my gosh. Okay, so this brush is probably going to go into my makeup bag that I have in my car to help touch up my makeup when I'm out and about. So this is so, so nice. I really like this brush. Oh, this is going to be really good. So thank you, Sigma. I love the new brush collection. They are beautiful. I cannot wait to use them. All right, so last but not least, we have a package from Laura Mercier, and they sent over from the #1 setting powder brand, which is, yes, it's like my favorite setting powder. I'm obsessed. It says, meet our new translucent loose setting powder, Ultra Blur Rose, and allow us to reintroduce you to the translucent loose setting powder Ultra Blur Honey. So it's the best-selling talc-free setting powder in both peachy pink shade and golden honey shade to instantly brighten and correct, which is really cool. So let's see. I want to open up the booklet here and see like more Okay, so they're saying to brighten is to use the rose shade for fair to medium skin tones and medium skin tones. And then if you're medium to deep, to use a translucent honey. I gotta try this out. Definitely if it's gonna be like more brightening. And again, I love the fact that it is talc free as well. So I'm excited to try that out. So this one right here is a translucent honey, and this is the translucent rose. So I definitely will give these ones a go. Let me just show you guys the packaging. It's really pretty. I like it how they did that rose gold top to it. So I definitely will give this a try when I do my makeup tomorrow, and I'll go and hop on Instagram stories and kind of update you guys on it. They also gave me a little powder puff too. So thank you so much, Laura Mercier. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. I have yet to go to my mailbox, my UPS mailbox that I have where I get everything shipped to. So I need to do that here tomorrow. So I'm guessing next weekend is gonna be a pretty big PR unboxing. So get ready for that one because I have not been there in a while. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything that I showed in this video is going to be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next Saturday video. Bye.